Hi, let's have a look at the highlights of AODocs Release 52. Release 52 is a foundational release for the leading content services platform, increasing vertical market support and laying the ground for stronger AI-based content services in future releases. For end users, we've integrated an advanced file viewer. This means that while working on the user interface, you can now preview additional non-Google attachments, such as medical files, computer-aided design files, Visio files, and email files. We've revamped the document history display. The document history tab shows a list of actions executed on a document, starting with the most recent. For each action, you can view when it was performed and by whom. Hover to view the full date and time the action was performed. For workflow actions, you can view any comments and what workflow state the document was sent to. We've also improved the display of document properties. Depending on the document class configuration, you can now view properties organized in a predefined number of columns in each section. For library administrators, create property sections with up to 4 columns to organize how properties are displayed. You can modify the number of columns in your existing sections. Reminding your users to perform workflow actions just got easier. In this release, we've introduced the ability to create workflow action reminders. You can configure action reminders for each available transition on a workflow state. Select which users receive a reminder. Create and use custom templates for the content of the action reminder emails. Choose when to start sending the reminders, how often they're sent, and when to stop sending them. We've introduced new placeholders for action reminders. Use them, along with the other placeholders, to configure your action reminder templates. We're always working on improving your user experience. For full details of all the changes in this release, read the release notes. See you next time.